Motorists have until September 30 to settle outstanding traffic tickets before Jamaica's long-awaited Demerit point system comes into effect. Transport Minister Daryl Vaz says the new system, which begins on October 1, is aimed at improving road safety by holding repeat traffic offenders accountable.
After years of delays, the Demerit point system is now set to become a reality. Effective October 1, motorists who commit specified traffic offences will have points added to their driving record, with the accumulation of 10 or more points resulting in the suspension of their driver's license. Speaking at a media briefing last Thursday, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz stressed that the initiative is intended to improve compliance with traffic laws and reduce road deaths, not punish motorists.
The Demerit point system is designed to address these challenges by promoting compliance with the Road Traffic Act and deterring repeat offenders. It is not intended as a punitive measure, but as a road safety tool that encourages responsible driving and helps reduce dangerous behavior on our roads.
The minister is urging motorists to use the remaining months to clear outstanding tickets and bring their records into compliance before enforcement begins.
The IT has consistently advised that accumulated points can lead to suspension depending on the severity and frequency of the offences. Again, I therefore urge all motorists, transport operators, both private and public, and in general road users to act now, settle outstanding matters, become compliant, obey the rules of the road, and help create a safer environment for all Jamaicans. The success of this initiative depends not only on enforcement, but also on public cooperation.
Mr. Vaz says the grace period provided to motorists is ending, warning that authorities will take a zero-tolerance approach once the system is operational.
It is important to note that the implementation of the Demerit point system was previously suspended to provide additional time for compliance. This period is now ending effective September 30, 2026. The suspension will cease, and from October 1st, 2026, the system will be fully operational, and a zero-tolerance approach will be adopted towards traffic violations, particularly those who endanger lives and undermine road safety.
The announcement comes as road fatalities remain a major concern, with 136 people killed in 122 crashes so far this year. The minister says habitual offenders with large numbers of unpaid tickets have contributed to the problem.
It is no secret that existing on our roads, we have several drivers with hundreds of tickets outstanding who have not had their licenses suspended and are the main perpetrators of reckless and lawless behaviors on our road.
Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Denita Rodney.